Today we're cleaning out this 100-year-old cabin so I can turn it into a kitchen place. Alright, gotta lug all this shit out. Oh, fuck. There's a nice bit of artwork. Why'd I put so much stuff in here? Oh, I actually don't know what I'm gonna do with any of this. This has been my little spot for keeping shit. Ah, spiderweb. Holy dooly. Guys, you're not meant to swear on the YouTubes. You guys might pick up. I spend a lot of time by myself doing stuff here. Hence the reason that's why we've come to having a YouTube page. Heaps of sheep shit in here. Me sheep used to hang out in here. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh no, me gutter. That's an integral part of the system around here. Crack home, crack house, whatever, man. Maybe it's got some crack in it. Shitload of doors to come out. It's weird wearing shoes though. I don't normally wear these things. I've just got the doors to go now. Besides all that, there's a possum trap. I think it's a possum trap. Fucking wood. Why didn't I pick something easy, like self-sufficient? Seems pretty hard now that I'm actually doing a bit of work. Many doors. That wine's nice. Whoa. Old doors are super heavy. I'm gonna repurpose all these. Take a couple of these to bed, wake up to myself. Oh, need that. I put so much shit in there. Get this bloody, what's this? Rat trap, possum trap, trap house. It's a trap house. Spiders. Why has it always got to rain? Got a sweet teapot. Don't know, heap of weird dust. Did they not used to own bricks because they just built everything on the dirt around here? Just wood straight onto dirt. Now I've got to deal with it. Pretty sweet, but gives me something to do. Why I drink me fucking wine. Good simple living, that's what we're about around here. Good hut, but eh? I can't believe it's legal to own your own bit of land and just do whatever you want. I can't believe that fireplace works. That's pretty sick.